Smart Signal Tower. Indicator lights combining color-based signals and digital number signals. Letwin's Smart Signal Light and Management Solution is an extraordinary smart manufacturing solution for factories of smaller scales of production and manufacturers intending to implement smart manufacturing for the first time. The Smart Signal Light is roughly 30 cm tall, lightweight, and easy to install on any manufacturing machine. Every signal light is equipped with red, green, and yellow lights and a LED number display to display real-time factory operation statuses, such as power of individual machines, idle time, history record, alert system, and work hour timesheet. This can increase manufacturing efficiency, simplify factory operation and management, and make manufacturing plants smarter. Smart Signal Tower. Improve production efficiency.